Welcome to my health channel. In this video today, I want to explain the popular news which is trending in Gambia, which say that WHO alerts over India made cough syrup after death in the Gambia. So the global alert has been issued over 4 cough syrups after the World Health Organization WHO warned they have been linked in the death of 66 children in Gambia. So the syrup has been potentially linked with acute kidney injury and 66 deaths among children. So the products were manufactured by the Indian company which is called the Maiden Pharmaceuticals, which had failed to provide guarantees about their safety, the WHO said. Also, the film has not yet commented and the BBC has not contacted Maiden Pharmaceuticals for any comment. So the Indian officials say that says they have asked the WHO to share evidence of the link between the syrups, those 4 syrup, and the death. So the WHO identified the medicine as those 4 medicine for syrup. The first one is called Promethazine oral solution. Another one is called Kofexmalin baby cough syrup. Another one is called Makoff's baby cough syrup. And the last one is called Magrip N cough syrup. So the four products has been identified in the Gambia, but may have been distributed throughout informal markets to the other countries or region, the WHO said. It warned that their use may result in serious injury or death, especially among children. Also, the WHO intervention came after medical authority in Gambia, a popular tourist destination, detected an increase in the case of acute kidney injury among children under the age of 5 in the late July. So the Gambia government has since suspended the use of all paracetamol syrup and has urged people to use tablet instead. So the number of deaths has declined since the ban, but 2 more have been recorded in the past 2 weeks. Gambia Health Services Director Mustafa Bitey told the BBC's Focus on the Africa program. He said that the Gambia did not currently have a laboratory capable of testing whether medicine was safe, and so they had to be sent abroad for checking. So Mr. Bitey added that the Gambia was in decision with the World Bank to get funding for the quality control laboratory. So the WHO said that laboratory analysis of the sample of the products confirmed that they contain an acceptable amount of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol as contaminant. The substances were toxic and their effects can include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, inability to pass urine, headache, altered mental state, and acute kidney injury, which may lead to death. So Mr. Bitey also said that traces had also been found of E. coli, a bacteria which can cause diarrhea and vomiting. So the Gambia health official said last month that the dozen of children had died without giving an exact number. Speaking in Geneva on Wednesday, WHO Chief Tedros Ghebreyesus said the loss of these young lives is beyond heartbreaking for their families. So this is the important news for today. So for more healthy videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.